The internet is an insane place. I've seen a lot of wild shit during my lifetime on the internet. But I may have seen the absolute dumbest comments in the world recently as a bunch of idiots started to ask Elon Musk to shut off Teslas in Russia. Literally, I'm not making this up. Here's one. Can you turn off Tesla in Russia as a sort of tech embargo? We've got another one that says, Elon Musk, hey, why don't you turn off all the Teslas in Russia? If they aren't moving, shut them all down. Only going to hurt the elite there, you know? And then, of course, lastly, please turn off all Teslas in Russia. The rich people need to feel pressured into rebelling against Putin. His actions cannot go unpunished. This is absolutely ridiculous. Why don't we just go ahead and ask Apple, shut down all the phones? Why don't we just kill the internet? Actually, why don't we just stop feeding all of the people? You know, that would put a lot of pressure on them too. Of course, at the end of the day, what we need to be doing is focusing on what the intended goal is. We shouldn't be advocating for the censorship of private companies for the average citizen. There are about 150 million citizens in Russia. Most of them don't agree with the war. They're out in the squares literally chanting that they don't want their country going to war. Ultimately, we shouldn't try to punish the everyday citizen. Instead, we should stay focused on punishing the bureaucrats, the oligarchs, and the politicians. If you want to affect change, go after the people who are making the decisions. The morons on the internet that are asking Elon Musk to go ahead and shut off the Teslas, I'm glad they're not running public policy. I'm glad they're not the ones who are coming up with the sanctions. And I'm glad that they're just running pseudonymous accounts from their mom's basement. Because ultimately, this is a stupid idea. And I'm glad Elon's smart enough to just ignore the noise. Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.